Now, before you try any troubleshooting steps, first of all, if you're trying to install the application from Microsoft Store and you are unable to install it, in that case, you can try to install it from the official website. So in Google search, you can type in Elgato Stream Deck software and go to the official website and you can try to download and install it from here. If you're facing trouble installing it from the website, in that case, you can search for this application in Microsoft Store and then try to install it from the Microsoft Store and then you can check. So search the application and try to install it from here. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, run these three commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, run WS reset command. So type in WS reset in Windows search box and then click on WS reset run command. This will reopen Microsoft Store and then you can try to install it. Still you're facing the problem, then repair or reset Microsoft Store. So type in Store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store and then click on App Settings. On this page, scroll down. First of all, click on Terminate, then click on Repair. Once the repair is done, you can check. If that does not work, you can reset, and after the reset, you can open Store and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to update Windows. Now for this, you can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, click on Check for Update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The last step is to use option that is fix problems using Windows Update. Now for this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down, click on recovery. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then you can try to install the application. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this application successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.